Alright guys, so I'll be making a quick tutorial. So when I'm trying to connect, this is my first time using earbuds by the way, and connecting to my PC, it wouldn't work. It's just it's so hard. It only connects when I like really put the earbuds close to the PC, like close right here, and it will connect, but otherwise it wouldn't work. So I found some suggestions on Reddit that something might be loose, and this is for Asus Vivobook 14. And then I found out there's like well, I don't know if this actually the modules for the Bluetooth, but yeah, I found this cable is loose, and then I just tried to connect it back to this port. Like I said, I don't really know if that really is the Bluetooth, like, I don't know, module, but I see it loose, so trying to connect it, and we'll see how it works. Well, I already tried it, and yeah, it fixed a problem that if you struggle to connect, see, wait, it's hard to. As soon as I put this here, I can hear my earbuds again. Wait a damn minute, it's hard. Man. It's not so tight, so you have to make sure it's okay. You make sure it clicks. Now immediately I hear the music from my earbuds. Immediately. We'll see. See? It's connected now. Where's my mouse, bro? It's connected. So yeah, if you had problems similar to this notebook, you can connect your earbuds. Try it.